Hello folks, got a Snapper 5 horsepower lawnmower. The guy at town won this at a Twins game. Donated from Arnie's Log and Lawn in Rice. Has a 2-year warranty. It's a Quadnum XM with a bagger, multi-bagger discharge. He's left it sit outside. The lever here is missing, so there's no cable either. I don't know if he has it made such a way that it'll run without it. There's no gas in it. Yeah, no gas in it. Looks like it's been sitting outside for a long time. A little bit of dark oil in it. Got something running outside. It does turn over. So this is the next project. I haven't cleaned off the workbench since the last project, so I still got all the mice nest on there. Figured I'd blow this junk off anyways. Probably got stuff jammed up in there. Probably take the whole cover off, take gas tank off, all that. So we'll just dive into it and see what happens. Maybe we'll just take the air filter off first, and we'll lube up all this stuff here, because this stuff barely turns in here. After we blow it off, we'll just shoot it with a little starting fluid, see if it fires. That is nasty, wet, dirty, moldy even. Look at that. That's nasty. Well, should we just try it for the fun of it? That kind of popped there, didn't it? He's gonna live. Well, I'd imagine that you take the carburetor apart and clean that, because that's dirty. See, they do have a fill filter on there. Oh, there's a bunch of rack air things, nuts up in there. I really thought it was gonna be dirtier than this. It's not really dirty at all. But as long as I got it out apart, I need a new gasket anyways. It was dry rotted. I'm going to stick the whole thing into the ultrasonic cleaner. Let it do its job. Let it boil for a little while. Lots of acorns and other animal feasties in there. We're going to blow them goodbye. Okay, I got the carburetor cleaned, I think. And put some gas in it now. I've only put a little bit in. It's not leaking any. So we're going to hook up the throttle cable. Alright, I did get it to start. I need to get a new gasket for the air cleaner housing when I need to buy a new so the primer works. Gasket to go right here, so it creates the airway so when the primer gets pushed here. And then I need to buy a new air filter because that one was nasty. don't know if you guys even seen how nasty the thing was. I'll show you. Soaking wet. Well, parts came in for this snapper here. So I got a new little gasket here I needed for it, for the primer, on the carburetor. And then I ordered a new spark plug for it too. So all I need to do is put the spark plug in, put a little gasket on. That thing is a dirty spark plug. So the primer bulb was junk, it was broken. I put a new one in that I had. It didn't work, it must be for something else. So I went to buy a new primer bulb online. So I didn't want to drive anywhere, but I could buy the whole new piece, the other side of the air filter here. Whole new piece with the primer bulb, the whole thing all together for like $10 or something. So I bought that. Now we're gonna find out if it'll work. Got it all loaded up. I'm going to take it back to him. He should be happy now. He'll have his prized lawnmower back. And me and Lolly are going in the house. Come on, Lolly. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Talk to you on the next video. Bye.